lying clashing in the dead of night. Sounds like the rattling of chains. Some had even noted that they had caught
Why are you screaming?
old man
God damn!
through the house's window. For a long time, the house sat empty as no one was brave enough to investigate. Back then, little was known about the paranormal. People avoided discussing the house, but those that did believed the home held a demonic spirit. No one wanted to risk getting cursed by the demons. The owner of the home often tried to rent the home out for a cheap price. When the philosopher Athenodorus heard about the story, he decided to rent the home. He wanted to investigate and confront the demon if he had.
Alright, so we're doing an unboxing. We just got the PS5 yesterday. We know a lot of people can't get these right now.
What do we do?
Alright, we didn't begun the opening process. I guess this is the most important power cord. Got a quick startup guide. Probably my joystick. You got two of those. Take this off the top. Still kind of heavy. Something else in it. Something else in it. I guess this is the base or something. There's the actual PlayStation. Let's see what we got here. Body it like that. Let's just slide them out. Nice. Alright, this is the PlayStation. They say you can take these things off the cover and put new ones on. We got an HDMI. Yeah, that's the pieces. That's the pieces. Your typical PlayStation. We're gonna hook it up in this area over here. And then let's get it started. Okay, I also got this charging station for the joysticks or the controllers. It's supposed to sit at the top or something like that. Let's see. All right. Let's see. This bullshit. Like it fit, man. Hold on. Fit snug up there. Okay. And that's it. Those joystick up at the top. I'll show you guys the finished product. So I had to take it down. Apparently you had to screw this base in. This screw was in the bottom compartment. It's done, it's all snug, and I'm gonna plug it up and set it up. Let's get it going. All right, unboxing is near complete. That's the finished product. We just have to turn them on. Let's see if we work. Matter of fact, joystick plug. All right. Quick little note. Controller plug uses C charger, not the normal Android charger. Let's cut her on. First, let's see the channel we want. All right, let's see what we got. Let's press the PlayStation button. We got action. It's HDMI 1.
Whack the tablet. Whack.
let's try this again. Maybe this is not how you cut it on. Maybe you press the button. Yep, the button. Yeah, let's see. Huh? We're on 3. The new superpower. Let's get it. Alright, that's it, guys. I'll let you know how it works out. Typical PlayStation update. So we're waiting on that. Everything's smooth so far. I got it directly plugged in, so that should be as fast as it can be going. You feel me? Let it restart again. While I'm doing all the downloads, check out the charging station. When it's charging, it's like breathing a little bit, and it's red right here. When it's fully charged, it's just blue. Look at that shit.